Welcome to Old Tree Vintage. My name is Manny Savignano, and I'm happy to be here with you today. Quick video, just something I'll probably do now and again is just share when one of these famous boxes shows up at your doorstep, and even though you order it, you're loving it, and you know what it is. So, we're just going to take a look, see what's in here. I'll explain it to you, and we'll see how it goes. There's always a purpose, but not always be understood. Okay, here we go. Always fun doing this. Okay, set this off to the side. Alright, now first up, this is a canvas apron. Just to kind of give you an idea, side camera. Always wanted one. Got a really good deal on one, so we'll open this and we'll take a look at it. Give you an idea there. Nice bag it comes in, very well packed. By the way, if you'd like anything, I will have links as soon as I figure Amazon out. Just to some of this stuff. If you're interested, help the channel out, help me out, and I'll explain, like I said before, a little bit more about the purpose of this channel as we go on, but very heavy duty. Lots of nice pockets. So we have, let me see if I can hold it up, some pencils, which I don't know about you, but I find pencils all over the shop, all over the house, because I'll mark something up and set it there and then go to cut it and then I can't find it later, so that's going to be good for that. Tape measures to fit. Over here we have a little pocket here, perhaps a tape measure. Over here maybe a hammer. Those are around the side. And now this is interesting. These are magnets right here, so you can kind of hold some nails or screws in this area, so that's pretty cool. I'll get some close-up shots of this for you. So that was neat. My wife bought me one for my wrist, which is fantastic. Those are highly recommend those. And then some larger pockets down here. And again, this is very nice, heavy-duty material here. So definitely want something safe and practical. So again, if you're interested, I'll hopefully have some links down there for you, and again, they'll be affiliates, so they'll certainly help out the channel should you purchase anything through those. But alright, so we'll come back to that. Let me set this over here. And we have another package in here, and this I have to explain as we move on in the channel as to what I'm doing here. So let's take a little knife to this, see how this opens. And some of the things that we're going to make, we'll look at and have fun with on this channel. Okay? These are assortment, if I can get them out of here, of, I would say, lunch trays. Okay? And these are, yeah, they're wrapped. So they just happen to be multicolored. I thought that would be cool. So here they are. Set them out here. You kind of get a good idea. Pretty heavy duty, kind of thick. I've used these before, but for a different purpose with 3D printing and taking things out off the print. And working on them, cleaning them, and so forth on these instead of getting material all over the place. So that's what these are when I bring them over at some point. So there we have it. You can also see behind me lots of work to be done on the shop yet, but I'll show you if you haven't seen it already. Hopefully I'll have it up here. Video of the shop when we first moved in less than a year ago, and what it looks like now, and as we continue to work on it a little bit. Do subscribe, and please hit that that bell, and hope to see you around. Thank you. Take care now.